Hey everybody, it's on Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make salted caramel ice cream. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by placing about 2 tablespoons of cold water into a saucepan. And to this we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And just on a high heat, all we want to do is bring this up to the boil. And we also want to stir and keep an eye on it, because we don't want this to burn. Alright, so as you can see at this point, all the sugar's pretty much all dissolved. So pretty much all we're doing now is getting that caramel colour. Now you can use a candy thermometer for this, but it's not really necessary. Just keep an eye on it. Don't let it go too dark, because even when you turn this off, the temperature is going to keep on rising. So we're just going to keep on stirring until we get the desired colour we want. Alright guys, so if you look very carefully, there's a slight touch of a gold colour in there. So, as I said, this happens very, very fast. That's why we need to keep on stirring. So right now we've got a light syrupy colour. So we just want to go a bit more. And all these clumps will dissolve in the meantime too. So as you can see, it's getting darker and darker. So we're going to let it darken just a little bit more. Alright guys, that's looking good. We're going to turn the heat off now. That's going to keep on cooking. That's why we need to turn it off earlier. And just keep on stirring. And look at that colour. It's getting nice and rich. So what we're going to do at this point is adding 2 cups of thickened cream straight in. We'll just keep on stirring. And that's obviously our toffee there, but we're going to keep that in there for now, because we want all that flavour to just absorb. And that's looking beautiful. Alright guys, so just leave that for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so that's looking very nice and rich now. So what I'm going to do is add in 2 cups of full cream milk. And I'm just going to add in half a teaspoon of sea salt flakes. Now if you don't want this to be salted, just don't add the salt in. And we'll also add in a 1/4 cup of golden syrup. And we just want to stir that all together. So all we need to do now is let this completely cool down. So what we can do is put this into the fridge just to speed it up. But if you're not in a rush, you can leave it at room temperature, that's fine. And we're going to leave the toffee in there as well. Alright guys, so once you've let it cool down, what we're going to do is take our actual toffee out. Oh, we're going to hold on to that, don't go throwing it out. And all we're going to do now is transfer this into our ice cream maker. So we'll pour our mixture straight in. And we'll go ahead and turn the machine on. So guys, all you need to do is follow your manufacturer's instructions. In my case, all we have to do is leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice, thick and creamy. And that's it. Alright guys, so I'm at the 30-minute mark now. And just have a look at that. As you can see, it's come together nicely, nice and thick. So we'll go ahead and turn the machine off now. And all we need to do is transfer this into another bowl. And you can just tell that's going to be amazing. Alright guys, and there we have it. So all we need to do now is put the lid on. I'm going to pop this into the freezer. We want to leave it overnight, and then we'll come back tomorrow and dig into it. Alright guys, so this part is optional, but we can use our toffee and actually break it into small pieces. Just like that. And we can use that as a garnish. Alright guys, so that's looking beautiful, so we're going to go ahead and serve it now. Just how beautiful is that? The texture is just fantastic. Alright, just how beautiful is that? So we're going to garnish it with shards of our toffee, just like so. We just want to make it look nice. And we'll finish it off with just a small sprinkle of sea salt flakes. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. Time to serve. So guys, storage wise, keep it in the freezer. You can keep it for up to about a year. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.